my god, I don't even know what my hair is today. Let's try to fix it. This is the best that I can do. That's it. All right. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been quite busy with school, work, just everything. Honestly, I pretty much have like 2 full-time jobs. Yes, but we're gonna make a YouTube video. So today we're gonna be reviewing the Jove's Venus Ice Core hair remover product. So thank you to Jove's for sending this to me. I'm going to open it and give you my thoughts and review, and we'll try it out together if I can open it. Opening. And I will have everything linked down below so you can get it if you want. So here is the box. It's green. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, we're gonna open it somehow. I'm not sure how. Oh, here we go. Ooh. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Kind of looks like something from Men in Black. Interesting, cool. And then another thing, I don't know what that is. Put these over here. Okay, so it comes with this. I don't know what this is. I think this is the book, the guide. So here's this product description. So pretty much just tells you how to use it. Okay, so we got some other things in here. So we got the goggles, because obviously it's like laser hair removal, like you don't want to blind yourself. So here are the glasses. Definitely gotta try these on. Whoa! Makes everything green. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in the Matrix. This is weird. This is cool. Okay, sick gunners. And then the adapter. I think it's maybe to charge it. Switching power adapter gives you that. And then grainer. Just like a razor. Interesting. And I don't think there's anything in this one. Just a box. Yeah, empty box. And it says, "No fear of darkness, shine the light." Cute. Okay, so we're gonna give this puppy a go. I have not shaved my legs in a while. Ooh, I don't even know if I want to show that. Let's try. All right, so the first thing this little book says I need to do is wet the head of the razor with water. Use a razor to shave the hair off the target skin area and cleanse the target skin area properly. So I'm just gonna do like a part of my leg. So we'll see how it works. Yeah, let's do it. We'll just do it here. Perfect. Okay, YouTube, this is pretty up close and personal. This is probably the most personal you've ever been. So let's shave like, just like right here, shaved, and I had a shower like an hour ago. So that seems pretty clean. What are the next instructions? All right, let's just go for it. So I'm gonna start on number 1, which is what it said to do. And it says to point it at your leg, vertical. I don't know if anything's happening. All right, 1, 2, 3. Is it working? I have no idea. All right, so I just realized I gotta turn it sideways. Game changer. All right, let's try this again. I don't think anything's happening. All right, I was making a huge mistake. I wasn't even touching my skin with it. Oh! Now we're cooking. Ooh, it's like, it's not even hot, it's like warm. I mean, it's cold. Cool. Easy. This is easy peasy. Perfect. All right. Cool. Okay, so once I figured that out, it's actually really easy. So there's different settings. There's like 0 to 6 depending on your skin color and just like how often you use this. It's really simple to use once you figure it out. There's different settings on the back, so you can set it to like automatic flashing, so it just like does it if it's like a big area, so you don't have to keep clicking the button. And there's also like armpit, legs, bikini area, face, which is cool, so you get a little bit of everything. I've never had any like laser hair removal or anything like that. I usually just shave because I don't know, I've just never really thought about getting that done. But this is like a good option if you or like a cheaper option than like repeatedly going and paying for getting this done. It's very handy to have this little book. Definitely read through it before you try it. There's like a level of intensity there for your skin tones, so that's good to check out before you go for it. There's also a SR mode, which is for skin rejuvenation and skin whitening, so that's kind of interesting. It also says before your treatments you should like shave the legs, make sure they're clean, make sure they're not oily or anything like that, or just shave the area in general. Do like a spot test to make sure that you're not like allergic or anything like that to this treatment. And it always says to start with level 1 and then work your way up, which makes sense. Like, don't just start off with number 6 and just go into it that fast. Like, that kind of be crazy. And it always says to wear your protective goggles, which is not a problem. Definitely do that. You don't want to be hurting your eyeballs. That would suck. And then it says after your treatment, avoid water for like 6 hours. So that's kind of interesting. Don't use like body scrub, obviously, because that would kind of hurt. And then there's different times and different kind of sequences you should use it for. Take these back off, it's very green. So like 3 to 4 times a week for the 2nd to the 4th week, 2 to 3 times for the 5th to 8th week, and then after 8 weeks use it like once every half month or a month. So it just kind of gets further and further apart, which is kind of usually the way it goes with hair laser removal. Like, you don't have to do it as often because the actual like ends of the hairs are just not as strong, I guess, or like they're getting lasered, so they're not going to be there anymore. But yeah, very helpful, very cool, and very interesting, cute little sleek product. Like, look how cute this is. It's very nice. I love it. I can't wait to be using it a lot. And it also has like a cooling effect, so it's not like on fire when you're putting it on your leg, which is good because you never want to like have that. And looking at my leg now, there's no like, it's not red or anything. It looks good. It's just, you know, smooth as we like it. But yeah, this is a very cool product. It's like the future of hair removal right in the palm of your hand, which is pretty cool. You could probably take this traveling, take it anywhere you want. It's just like a very nice to-go item. Like, okay, we're just going to like, you know, Hawaii for a month. Let me just take this. No problem. It's like a pound. Just stick it in my suitcase. Don't have to worry about it. Don't have to think about it. Very cute. We love to see it. I am going to be trying this out, and yeah, can't wait to see how this works out for me. I'm fingers crossed. I hope it works. I think I just have to kind of stay consistent with it. I think that's the key, because if you only do it like once, obviously it's not gonna work. So do it a couple times every week, and then yeah, that'll be exciting. Thank you to Joves for sending me this product. It's so cute and so sleek. Look at this. It's like a little hair dryer, but a little bit cuter, you know, for your skin. Sweet. All right. So that concludes this review. I'm gonna hopefully be getting on YouTube a little bit more. I have more free time now. My afternoons have kind of cleared up a little bit, so I won't be literally busy from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. anymore. That'll be great, just for my own mental health and everything else. But it'll also be fun to get back into the YouTube game because I've been slacking a little bit. Sorry about that. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will leave the links down below for these products, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you found it helpful. I was just kind of a beginner here, just trying to figure this out, but I think I did pretty good for you know, figuring this out for the first time. So thumbs up to that. Yay. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.